Hi guys. Sorry, it's Candace. I know. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my gosh. Guess what? I know. We're going to have to start calling Michelle Brittany. Oops, she did it again. So, she has, Michelle from the Junk Journal Studio has a new All Things Roses kit, but she has gone mad and has given all of her design team members a minimum of 5 freebies to go on their pages. So there are 1 through 52. So there's 52 freebies that will be linked in everybody's YouTube channels. Blah, 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 blah. So she's given us all the links for the viewers, and so I will post mine on there, and then I will try to come in here and post everybody else's YouTube channels on there, so you can go collect all these crazy free things. Even Michelle has some. I know it's crazy. So I'll show you mine first. So these are my 5 freebies that come for this kit to be played with on top of all of the yummies in here, because it's all pages that Michelle is done for freebies. So the kit has just ephemeras and labels and all kind. Oh my gosh, just stuff. So we have these yellow roses, yellow rose of Texas. I know I put it on the back because we're gonna do something. And then there's this dot. I know there's my green lace, and then this green and kind of cream dotted. And then this green and a little bit of creamy white. What you dinky? Stripes. And then I printed some on that medium vellum, not the heavy vellum. So, yeah, be on the watch out. So let's just flip through here and see the lovelies that's in this kit. Okay, so it's called All Things Roses. It's 39 pages, and it's on sale right now, 25% off for $2.91. Plus, don't forget, you have the 52 freebies that are spread amongst all the design team members and Michelle's YouTube channel too. So like I said, I will lift them. I will list them down below, and then if you have a printer, go get you some freebies. Oh my gosh, some freebie papers. So, I know we're going backwards. So, what else is new? I know, aren't these just some pretty things? I know we're gonna play. Oh, and the 3 different this journal belongs to's. Oh, burp, it's cold. I got the heater on. I know, I'm cold. I even have my little jacket on down here. Yeah, yesterday, my neighbor was supposed to come over to the shop when he got off work to get some tin. So I went over there, moved stuff around so I could get to this tin. I was there for an hour. No show, no call. I think I've run over a ladybug because, you know, they just have that smell. And I just caused an avalanche here. I know it's time. It is just, I say that every time, but I'm for real serious. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to get upstairs. Anyway, I need 15 of me. Oh, anyway. So, I know, we got to cut all this junk out. Not junk, just stuff. Look how pretty all the little flowers and everything. Oh, look, I like that. A little flower basket. They were collecting flowers and they tipped over because I had to run to the bathroom. Our little Victorian ladies. Oh, and I love, love, love. Those big old stamp things make awesome pockets. Sweet little labels to go to. We got some more of them. Oh, I know, I love little stamps too. Some tickets. I know you can see, but I'm telling myself, so I can like have to, you know, if I say it out loud, it kind of like goes into my head. I know, that's just how I think. Anyway, that's a pretty rose. I'm guessing that's the back to it, the postcard. Oh my gosh. Isn't she pretty? Her and her little blue. Her yellow rose of Texas. And we've got some really pretty sentiments, some words. And don't forget the little labels over here. I know. Not that you cannot see them, but... Oh, my son sent me Happy Valentine's Day today. I know. I kind of forgot that's what it was. Happy Heart Day to y'all. Happy Valentine's Day. Because, you know, well, first one sucks. So, but I thought it was sweet. But I will tell on him. You know how poor Toby Keith passed away from his cancer. I know. That made me... I was sad. Just because I saw his picture, you know, after he did his Vegas show. And, you know, he was trying, you know, being all positive stuff. But, oh, man, you know, once you've been around cancer dying stuff, you just know. So, anyway, my son's like, I said, yeah. I said, did you hear Toby Keith died? This was the other day. And he's like, yeah. He says, Brooke told me. And I was like, he was in Spider-Man. I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, no, Robert, that was Tobey Maguire. He's like, oh, I'm bad. So, yeah, Robert had a blonde moment. Big ding dong. So what I like about this is that it's not so Valentine-y. So that you can use them in Victorian, in gardens, in floor. Just, you know, so many things. Look at that little girl. A little flower girl. Get some sweet labels. I know. Oh, I mean, and wait until you see all the the papers. You kind of look at this. Some of this, like, this is some paper. That's some paper. Oh, she's just got some pretty papers. Hey, there's my papers. And, I mean, just some really pretty things. And look at those. Oh. I know, I'm sorry. I'm just looking. Oops. And we'll turn these a little long way so you can see. A little bigger one. I love that tealy color. It's different. Some really pretty labels. And then these are, you know, she has these. And then these, she went and put some words on top of them. Which, you know, you can always stamp all you want. And if you're wondering why is her fingers and fingernail yellow, well, it's taken me 3 days to figure it out. And let me tell you, I wash my hands like a crazy woman. I lotion my hands like a crazy woman because every time, you know, I wash my hands, which is tons, I must wash my hand 20 times a day. It's turmeric. I've been putting turmeric, you know, the capsules, one in each dog's at night, just to, since they're getting older, because I had a breakdown, I don't know what day it was, maybe Saturday night, because Mia was looking so bad. She was just, you know, not doing good for a couple of days, and I looked at her, her eyes were all hazy, and I was like, oh my gosh, she's going blind. I mean, I really had a meltdown, and I prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed. I was a crazy woman, you know, because I told God, you know, I can't handle losing one of these dogs right now. There's just, I just can't. He's got to give me a couple more years. So that's why I am stained. This will, it's like dye. So I'm like, well, I have a whole bottle. We need to dye some paper with it and see, because I've heard it dyes pretty. And I can only imagine, since my finger is this color now, I'm going to have to start wearing gloves, because that stuff slap dyed my fingers. I know, so weird. Anyway, so if you have a bunch of turmeric, mix it up. Speaking of turmeric yellow, I know, I don't have jaundice, or I have turmeric. Oh, but look at all the little roses and stuff. It's going to be so pretty. So pretty to play with. You know, as usual, Michelle gives you the big, the medium, and the small of them. Oh, do I have it? No, I didn't think so. Oh, well, shoot, I just lost it. Rah. Oh, such pretty roses. I love the little vases. And those are pretty. The orange and yellow roses. I know I should have put them back in the right side, you know, the right way. This is, you know, because we're going from, you know, last page to front. So yeah, so I guess we're going to call this, oh, that's some trash over there, the All Things Roses Scavenger Hunt. Because there are, like I said, so many. And I'll just show you, I printed a couple of pages just so you can kind of see. I mean, there's the pink version. Look at the greeny lace with some words on it. Oh, look at that one. And that one. So, I mean, those are just some of the examples of the 52 freebie pages Michelle has done to go with this kit. So, I will link all this stuff in here. I will link my freebie on there first, of course, you know, duh. And then, but I will link everybody else's YouTube channels, and they should have their freebies posted. So I know it's going to be a job, but I'm going to go do that real quick, and then I know this is going to be a 2-part thing, so, and I am late, but what else? So, that's because I wasted all my half a day yesterday doing that stuff for my neighbor who didn't show up. Trust me, that was a dangerous feat over there. And so I will be back in a little bit after I do this, feed the dogs, take them out, all that good stuff. And then I will come back, we'll do a project with this, and then we'll get cranking on some other stuff. I know, I'm sorry. Y'all, I've been looking for that, and it was underneath there. Anyway, this was some, you know, when I did some rub and buff, I had it on my finger, so I just, on some scrap craft. And so I punched it, and I thought I could use it for something. But when I was looking for it, because I thought it was over there, it was stuck underneath it here. Okay, so that's enough rattle louder. But I know y'all are tired of hearing my excuses, but y'all, I don't know. I don't know how people like Dee Dee Farrago and everybody. I don't know how people who work full-time, maintain their house, have kids, and everything. I need to know what your wonder drug is, because I have no energy. It's just like, oh my God. Anyway, I guess it's just too overwhelming. Anyway, so, I know. And then the grass is starting to grow. Oh my God, no. When I was over at the shop, I'm like, I got to, anyway, yeah. Okay, so that's enough of that. So I will see y'all later. Let me go get this done. And so thanks for watching. And like I said, go on your scavenger hunt and gather your 52 free pages of the paper that go with this kit. And like I said, it will go with anything. Let me just put mine on here. So here's my 5. Ooh, I know. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And like I said, get out there, do your scavenger hunt, gather and find all your 52 pages, and download them, save them, and follow along. I know somebody, Michelle attached something to her Facebook or YouTube or something. Someone's already done a project. See, and I hate looking at them until I do something, because then it influences me. And then I get out of my own head. And anyway, I know, but it's supposed to be inspired by, but it influences me. And I don't want to steal anybody's ideas. You know what I mean? All right, Vern. So I'll see y'all later. Kisses and love. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Hearts Day. If you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, Get you some chocolate. I don't know. Eat something bad. This is, you know, this is the day that you're allowed to, you know, do whatever. Any day is that day too, but, you know, this one's really that day. So I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.